Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a spirulina smoothie. This vibrant green superfood offers incredible health benefits, from boosting your energy to supporting your immune system. Making it into a smoothie is one of the easiest and most delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Get ready to feel amazing with this simple, nutritious drink. To create your perfect spirulina smoothie, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with 1 teaspoon of high-quality spirulina powder. Next, grab 1 cup of your favorite frozen fruit. Berries, bananas, or mangoes work wonderfully. Finally, add 1/2 cup of a liquid base, such as water, coconut water, or almond milk, to achieve the right consistency. Once you have your ingredients ready, the process is super straightforward. Simply combine the spirulina powder, frozen fruit, and your chosen liquid base into a high-speed blender. Blend everything until it's completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, just add a little more liquid until it's perfect for you. Enjoy your nutritious creation. To elevate your smoothie, consider adding a handful of fresh spinach for extra nutrients without altering the taste much. For a touch of sweetness, a pitted date or a drizzle of honey works wonderfully. Remember, you can always experiment with different fruits and liquids to find your favorite combination. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.